Let me quickly show you how to face swap your images in 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 for free. To get started, open Discord using the link provided in the description and log into your account. Now, click on the large plus sign on the left panel and select Create My Own. After that, click for Me and My Friends and enter the desired name for your server. Now feel free to upload an avatar if you want to personalize it. Once you have done that, click the Create button, and your server will be successfully created. Finally, click the face swap link in the description, select the server you created from the Add to Server drop-down, then click Continue. Here's a quick rundown of how it works. Begin by typing // and select Save ID. This will prompt you to upload a face image and assign it an ID. Click here or drop your source image in this box to upload it. Now, let's name it PR and press Enter. This action saves the face for future use, and when you are face swapping, you can simply use the name PR to refer to it. Next, type // and pick the Swap ID command to put the face on a character. Click on the Upload box, choose the image you want to use, and enter PR as the reference ID name you saved earlier. Press Enter, and after a moment, your swapped image will show up. The final image will perfectly match the head and facial features, giving you realistic results. Feel free to follow these steps for as many pictures as you want, no matter the pose or environment. If you want to change the original face image, just repeat the steps I mentioned earlier, but use a new name this time. For example, let me type 𝐓𝐴𝐚𝐽𝐻 and press Enter. Now, when you are swapping faces, you can choose to use either of the saved faces, PR or 𝐓𝐴𝐚𝐽𝐻. The one you mention will be the source image for the face swapping process. So, if I pick Swap ID again, upload a different picture, and types 𝐓𝐴𝐚𝐽𝐻 as the reference name, the swapped image will now match the saved source image named 𝐓𝐴𝐚𝐽𝐻. This way, you can save various source images and use them for your face swapping activities. Additionally, there are more commands, such as del all, del ID, list ID, save ID, set ID, and swap ID, which help in managing and swapping faces. Give them a try and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and do subscribe. See you in the next video.